I just found. Hi!
Hi.
You can even hear the roosters crowing here. The sky is so beautiful, isn't it? Wow! I can't explain you too much about it, but and here another cage. There are so many roosters here everywhere, and they crowing. This is so nice, so beautiful. Hello everyone, I am right now in Nürnberg. I just found. Hi.
Hi.
See, people just said hello to you. Hello everyone again. I'm in Nürnberg right now. I found a poultry farm. I didn't plan to film everything today, but just we really have to explore this farm. I think it really deserves it. Let's discover together what hides this poultry farm. I don't have any idea what I will find it here, so let's discover together. I hope you will enjoy. Right at the beginning, it's a beer garden. You can see it outside, drink beer. But as I see right now, it's closed. We have today 8 degrees outside. Maybe that's why. Maybe the people are inside and they drink there. You can even hear the roosters crowing here. So nice. They are crowing so nice. There are so many roosters here everywhere, and they crowing. This is so nice, so beautiful. I really like it. It's a nice feeling here to walk around, watch everything, and I feel so happy today. And I just want to share with you also this nice feeling. You see, everywhere. I found this place very spontaneous. That's why I don't have any idea. I can't explain you too much about it, but I will record my voice after, and I will read and make some research on internet, and I will tell you a little about it. It's a small garden, a couple of meters, 100 meters or 150, not more than that, you know, yeah. Just this way and this way, that's all. But it's so nice, really. Look at that. They are coming to me, they think they get some food, but I think they have enough food here every day. Here I have no doubt. See, just a little garden with different parts here, but so peaceful, so enjoyable to walk here. They are so little and so cute, isn't it? As I can observe here, there are also some gardens. I guess they are private, but I'm not sure. Maybe people are just coming here and chill out and so on. Maybe they have a barbecue. It's possible, I have no idea. But this place, it's really nice. Look, see, they also have water. Nice, isn't it? Everywhere, different sounds. A lot of diversity here, the diversity of sounds, diversity of colors. Yeah. Unfortunately, this is so little, it's not too much. That's all, see? And here we are again, the garden. People are drinking beer. This is also a place for kids. If you have kids, you can sit here, chill, drink beer, and your kids are safe here. I'm just joking, you know. As I told you, I don't want it to film everything today, but I just discovered this place and I said, okay, I really have to share with my audience on YouTube. And here another cage with some other birds. They're also loud and a lot of colors they have. And here is again, we are again at the beer garden. Today is just a small video, but this beautiful location, this adorable place, it's so little, and that's why also my video today is so short. Do you remember this with Popeye? Here is Popeye. So you can reach this place by bus or by car or by bike. I came here by bus, and I took the bus 44. See, Nürnberg Hauptbahnhof, Nürnberg main station. You can go back with this bus 44. Yeah. Over there it's a football place. Here today the sky is so beautiful, isn't it? Wow, so beautiful color today of the sky. Amazing. This is a small poultry farm with a German restaurant and a beer garden. I just took a research on internet, on Google. Yeah, but really nice place, you know. You can explore this place in 10 to 20 minutes. You don't have to plan more time than that, but it's a symphony of sounds, colors, and it's amazing. It's really deserve to explore this place. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, I wish you all the best and have a nice day. Bye.